Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Can I get out of here? Oh boy. It is 11:21 and I haven't even started a damn thing. But I got coffee. It's hot. Like, it is hot today. Anyways, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are getting the COBB Accessport on because I put the intake on and it was running good for like a week-ish. And then it started throwing, like, my ABS light came on, check engine, cruise control, hill assist, traction control, all those lights came on. And so I ran it with the OBD 2 reader, and sure enough, the car's running too lean. And it's a stupid mistake. Honestly, I'm still trying to learn these things, and you know, I've done intakes on, like, I've seen intakes, sorry, on other cars, and like my father-in-law, he has a Q50, the 3.7 liter. He has an intake on his car, and his doesn't throw codes like that. But I guess because Subaru is just like Subaru, COBB, they're just a sensitive platform when it comes to modifications. So running too lean, and then the car started, you know, idling weird, hiccuping. The RPMs were like on and off, up and down. So I did everything I can, but obviously, you know, at the end of the day, I'm gonna need the Accessport to tune it and do all that type of stuff, reflash it. So we're doing that today. I want this car to run perfect. I want it to run okay, but for any of you Subaru guys out there, you guys already know Subaru, it doesn't work that way. So there's always gonna be a problem, but you know, whatever, I'll face it head on and deal with it how I need to deal with it. We are here. We're gonna get the car in the garage, my little tiny garage. We'll get this popping. Let's go. So I had to go by Home Depot and actually get a battery pack to charge battery charger, so that way the battery doesn't accidentally die on me during the installation. So bought one. Let's connect it and get this process going. All right, plugged in. All right, back to where we were. COBB port, of course. Let me get the OBD connection. Hold on, before I do that, connect, insert key. That's a vehicle. Turn this off. Turn this off, the radio off. Lights are off, okay. I am stage 1 plus. Stage 1, big SF. So stage 1 plus, big SF 91 octane. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Oh boy. So it's that one right there. So stage 1 plus, big SF 91 version 400. Really flash only, stage 1. Installation is Accessport, okay. A 10 car battery is recommended. Please turn off headlights and climate controls and connect the battery charger before proceeding. Continue without a charger. We're good, that's why I went. Oh, battery voltage too high. To lower your battery, set your battery charger to lower or try turning on some accessories. Ooh, I don't want to turn on accessories. Hold on. This is scary. Turning on some accessories. Alright, so it just saved the stock ECU or the stock tune. So now it's flashing the vehicle. Please wait while the Accessport flashes the vehicle. So we're letting that sit through there. I guess because my voltage was too high, it is said to turn on. It was at 15 volts. They want like 10 to 12. So it said try lowering the voltage on the battery, which I can't. So, or they said try turning on some accessories. So I just turned on the radio, but I put the volume all the way down, muted it basically, just the screen's on. Headlights are still off. And I did that and it seemed to work. So in the instruction they say not to turn on anything on, but it did recommend, like, if you're running too high of a voltage, just to turn on some accessories just to bring it down a bit. So I did that and it seemed to work. So I'm gonna leave it there, let it do its thing, and enjoy my nice coffee. All right, so it's done, and it says, please turn and leave the position in the off position to begin vehicle. Please turn and leave the ignition in the off position. The vehicle must remain off for the entire duration or the reflash may not fully complete. Cool. Please turn the ignition key to the on position so the access port can begin the reset procedure. Please wait while the access port resets ECU learning. I think we're doing pretty good. Installation successful. Please turn ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. There it is. All right. 1. I'm looking at the time on my clock. All right, let's do it. That's gonna be it for today's videos, guys. Thank you for tuning in. It was just kind of like a how-to, I guess you can say, to put the access port and getting that first tune on for the car. As I said in the video, I was having all those problems with the the tune code, but since I put the access port in the car, it's been about a week since I filmed that last clip just to kind of see how everything was going, and honestly, it's prime. It's perfect. No issues, no weird idle, no weird sounds, no codes. It's been perfect. The acceleration on it has been amazing. I love it. Another thing, I didn't film myself mounting it. I mean, that's whatever, but what I would recommend is getting one of these car phone holders on Amazon. I will link it in the description below. It's way cheaper than going to COBB or buying these aftermarket car company COBB Accessport mounts, because they go for like 80, 100. You can spend a lot. Like, I've seen one for like 200 bucks. It's insane. This one was about 30 bucks Canadian, 25 bucks Canadian. So, and it works amazing. It's perfect. So I'll link that in the description below. I'll link JSpec in the description below. Again, huge shout out to all of you guys. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for getting us to 70 subscribers. I mean, I didn't think I was going to get to that in the matter of like, what, 3 months, maybe 2 months, 2.5 months. So appreciate that, guys. If you guys like today's video, hit that like, subscribe, comment down below of stuff you guys want to see on the channel. I am working on a few things that I hope to have here soon. Obviously, money is a big factor in this car build, but nonetheless, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.